So who needs renter's insurance? Let me tell you a story. There was a young father that was cooking on a stove, and he was cooking some grease. I think he was cooking French fries, and his child was crying in the other room. So he went to tend to his child, and thank goodness his child was okay. But because he left the kitchen started on fire because of his grease on the stove. So the fire was so bad it caused water damage, smoke damage, and the firemen really did some damage to the house as well, just trying to put out the fire. So these poor young family had to go live somewhere else for 3 months, and they had no renter's insurance. So I helped out the landlord, the person that owned the building, but these tenants had no insurance. So a young family with no renter's insurance was really devastating to them. Almost anything can go wrong. Fire, theft, any sort of vandalism or damage to your property, even if it's a broken pipe where water just goes spewing throughout the entire house, it can ruin your property. It's important to have renter's insurance to help cover that type of loss in your property. Renter's insurance covers just about anything that you can pick up and carry out of the house. So your furniture, your clothing, all of your Christmas stuff, all the stuff that we store up in our attics and things like that. Anything you can carry out of your house. And most people don't realize how much they really have. It can be $10,000, $15,000, $30,000 worth of stuff. So it's important for them to make sure they have the protection if there ever is a fire or damage along the way. Renter's insurance is quite affordable. It runs between $10 and $15 a month. So for that type of peace of mind, it's really, really inexpensive. So it also covers liability insurance. There's liability insurance covered there as well in case there's a dog bite or someone trips and falls on the property. It's important to have that coverage as well. But for the $10 or $15 a month, it really gives you the peace of mind to know you've got the right protection. So oftentimes people say, I can't afford that. I say you can't afford not to have renter's insurance. It's that important.